My name is Gregg Moore, and I'm an associate professor in the Department of Biological Sciences. I'm a restoration ecologist working in temperate and tropical wetlands, particularly along the coast, working in systems like salt marshes, dunes, and mangrove habitats. Our coastal habitat restoration team, together with colleagues from UNH, other universities and NGOs, as well as coastal communities from New England to the wider Caribbean, focus on protecting, enhancing, and restoring wetland habitats. Building on our ongoing work in the region, we recently received a significant NIFWIF grant to address marsh and dune resilience across two New England states, New Hampshire and Massachusetts. We're focused primarily on the Great Marsh, which includes the Hampton-Seabrook Estuary. We're also working to inform coastal communities of flood risks in the Hampton-Seabrook Estuary through innovative sensor placement and developing better web access and data interface tools. We're also exploring new ways to help marshes keep pace with sea level rise through innovations in thin layer sediment placement and experimentation. Meanwhile, we have projects and initiatives working in post-hurricane restoration of mangrove habitats throughout the Caribbean, most recently in the British Virgin Islands. Links to industry for our programs may include innovations to improve the technology of data collection and tech transfer, as well as how data are shared and accessed by the public, such as developing better user interfaces. We're also interested in scaling up production of native plantings for niche markets. We're interested in finding new and exciting ways to collaborate. Thank you.